My name is Lidaria. I am a nurse living in Malta, and I wanted to pursue my career in aesthetics, and I found the Harley Street Institute. The course material has been very informative. We have good visual aids. Courses are in small groups, which you can have the individual attention, and every problem that arises, the teacher is very patient and can address what you require. All the teachers are amazing over here. I would say do it, because you're going to find all the help that you need over here, and any questions that might arise throughout the course, every teacher is going to help you with. You can advance in your career as much as you like, because they have further courses, and you can enhance what you have learned through every course that is provided over here.